Hi friends, it's Kathleen, Happy Gal Driscoll here. So it's been a little while since I did my last video. I decided today to show you how my art room is coming so far. I think it's always going to be a work in progress, but we're getting there. I actually have art supplies in here and some paintings on the wall. Not all mine, just some of mine. But I thought I'd give you a tour and let you see how I'm doing. Here we go. And so this is the entrance, as you remember, to my art room. It's right near my front door. And where would we be without our trusty companion, Diddy? Diddy, Diddy. Okay, come on, baby, we're gonna walk through the room. Okay, so this is my setup so far. It is sort of a mess, but that's just the way it is, people. So this is my main table. I bought this at IKEA. And I brought this up from St. Augustine. Absolutely love it. You can see I have some work in progress. I have a commission I'm doing. And I don't have everything set up, but this is the sort of the main view. So my lovely husband did paint this white and it is so much brighter. I'm so happy. This is my main setup. And I love my chair. So a lot of times I work from reference. So this is my iPad. This is one of my paint palettes by Jen Craft, one of my favorites. And these are my watercolor pencils, paintbrushes. That's a commission I'm working on. And I'm always inspired. I'm a Disney-holic, so I'm constantly inspired by the art of Disney and the Disney artists. And this is my poster I picked up at Epcot a couple years ago. This is a small piece I did, a couple of small pieces. I have Mort Walker from Beetle Bailey. We have Sarge. I got to meet Mort Walker years ago. I have not hung Marge up yet. Some of you may remember my dad did a painting or two in his time. It's unfinished, but that's Dad's painting that's going to go on the wall as well. Some more Disney. Pictures of a picture of my sons. Hello. And then there's actually an old picture of me up there. It's really old. That's when I was doing black and white photography back in the day. So this is another little corner of Disney. This is Epcot, and this is Rob Kaz. It's his artwork. He's an amazing artist. Please look him up on Instagram. I only have part of my Disney collection up, but these are my kind of junk supply drawers. I've got a lot of art supplies in here for different things. Some paper, but it's just extras that I didn't want to throw out and such. This one's the real junky one. I don't want to show you all of that. And then my paper cutter, which I got for Christmas last year, in love with it. I decided I wanted to try an acrylic painting right now. So I'm not sure what I'm going to paint yet, but I'm just kind of set up with that. And so ready to go with all of my acrylics over here. These are my acrylic brushes. This is a picture of my husband and I when we were up in Maine on a vacation one time. Let's see what else. Oh, my color wheel. I can't go anywhere without using my color wheel. Always have to have that close by. This was the big thing. These are my art supplies with a dash of Mickey in the corner there. So these I got at Staples. These are just ladder shelves. They're smaller on the top and bigger at the bottom. And for me as an artist, I don't know if you're the same way, but I need to see everything. So over here I have a lot of my painting supplies. Some are not even open. My pencils. I have pastels. I have some more inks and ink supplies. This is my book. These are my books. This is the latest book that I put out with my girlfriend Inger Bush. All hail Inger, the wonderful writer. This is Timmy and the Unicorn. You get that on Amazon. Please check it out. Didn't mean to. Or you can buy them from me too. This is my canned air. I use that with my alcohol inks, which are actually all in my drawer here. These are my alcohol inks in my drawer. And I have more alcohol inks and extenders there. And more alcohol inks and gloves and supplies right in that little table there. What else do I have on here? Oh, more paintbrushes up at top. More paintbrushes. The last 2 books. These are pencils. A lot of these are pencils and pencil supplies right in there. As I said, this is my canned air and alcohol. Those are kind of like backdrops and such. I do have some crafting supplies in here. These are all like crafting supplies if I want to do jewelry, if I'm in the mood. All of my paper. I get all my papers all stacked up there, easy to reach. These are some of my old art books, which these are all filled. So these are, it's fun to go back and look to see what you've done, like Inktober 2019. To go back and see where you've been and where you've come, and to do reminders. And let's see what else is over here. Just fun stuff on the top. Spirograph. I was a big Spirograph girl in the 60s and 70s. Mickey and the Muppets, why not? This is all my audio equipment. So I'm going to be hopefully doing more of that in the future, my camera. Oh, on the bottom I have mat and matting stuff. The Fragile bag is my lighting. I'm going to be doing better lighting soon. In the corner, I left this, sorry about that. I left this for all my portfolios and larger pieces of artwork. So this corner will always be free for like larger pictures that I've already done or about to do. This corner is the portrait corner, Portraits of Kathleen. This was a commissioned painting that my parents did of me, and there was also one of my brother, and I'm missing one of my sister. But this is me at about 3 years old in the 1960s. And it was painted by an artist. I'm not sure who the signature is. And this was done back in the early 60s. So my parents loved impressionistic paintings. So I thought it only right that when I did my own portrait, I should put it in the same corner. This is me at about 40. And then these are 2, you know these guys. You know these guys. It's Trillium and Timmy. Timmy and the Unicorn. So, and some awards that I've received in the past. Another painting. And this piece is really cool. This is an antique music stand. And this antique music stand, actually, I keep all of my old paintings in and such. Some of my flatter alcohol inks. And so these used to hold music sheets. And I am able to keep lots and lots of my paintings in there. So I am really happy about this. This was a little bit expensive to buy, but well worth it. I am just thrilled to be able to hold and harness and take care of all my paintings that I don't want to let go of in here. So there we are. So, and that's, and it's always good to have reference. So my models are right here. And so that's about it. That is really what I've done so far. Eventually there will be a computer in the corner. But here we are, we're up and running and we are working. So there we are. Just wanted to say, here we are, we're up and running. Hopefully we'll be getting some more videos out soon. Take care, bye.